Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to get that 80s Guitar Hero sound. '80s guitar heroes like George Lynch, Warren DeMartini, and Eddie Van Halen all shared a common formula: a cranked Marshall and a MXR phaser and an Echoplex or a rack mount delay unit. We're going to use a PV5150 capture, which was designed by Eddie Van Halen, to get as close as we can to that iconic sound. So here's the IK multimedia tone model we're going to use. So we're going to click on auto load, and when we double click on it, it will add it to our pedal. So let's click on editor and let's start tweaking the sound. I already did all the tweaking, so I'm just going to show you my settings. Here's my modulation settings. You could tailor these settings to however you like them, but this is how I got this sound.
Well, I've been down this road, Lord, I've tried to change. Wish I could see you or hear you call my name. Yeah, there are times in life when you don't know which way to go. Leaning on your promises is the only thing I know.
Okay, then I'm going to right click on it, hit rename, hit OK, and we're going to call this 5150 '80s Guitar Hero, and hit rename. And there you go. Well, I hope that helps somebody out. Please like and subscribe. And also in the comments, drop me the city that you're watching from. We'll see you soon.